Okay, so far we have this little melodic line of going from this lower C up to the higher C. And in this video, we're going to make each of these a chord. This will be a C chord, F chord, G chord, and C chord. And we've established before that to make some quick, easy chords, all we have to do, if we know that the note we have is the first note of the chord, if it starts on a line, go ahead up to the next line. And one more time, go to the next line after that. And with these three notes, C, E, and G, we have a C major chord. Let's do the same thing except with spaces here on F. So we start in a space, go up to the next space for an A, and one more time up to the next space for a C. Now we have an F major chord, F, A, C. Same thing, let's do that with this G. So next line above G is B, and the next line above that is D. And finally, we have a C here. And actually, what we're going to do here, I know that for these three chords, we've done the simple way of just stacking those thirds. What I want to do is, even though we have a high C here, and we have a low C here, let's use the same E and the same G that we have in that first chord. So underneath this C, we're going to go on that first line E and that second line G. So let me come back to the beginning. And I'm sorry, before I come back to the beginning, I just want to point out, even though this note's up here, it's not down underneath the E and G. This is still a C chord. The notes in this are still C, E, and G. It's just a different C. So this is still a C chord. It's just kind of put together slightly differently. So let me come back to the beginning that we have here and play the four chords we have so far. This progression's shaping up nicely. It's going to sound really good once we come back in the next video and add some low notes.